Tolulope from example. Did you get my tone from that voice? High pitched? No. Full of smile or monotonous? Yes, I can determine the tone of my voice. Not only that, I can determine the tone of my examination. I mean, you can determine the coverage, the flexibility, the accessibility, and the reliability of your exam. That is exam tone. Just think of exam tone as a drop box for examination. This time around, you don't have to drop your stuff anywhere. Just drop your exam anytime and have it accessible anytime, anywhere with exam tone. Does that sound really indispensable? Think of yourself as a group HR of Coca-Cola company trying to conduct an appraisal test. You have to send all your appraisal tests by post to all companies, all the branches worldwide. I'm sure that's going to cost you some time and that's going to cost you some money. But with exam tone, this is what you just have to do. Post the examination on exam tone, invite the user to take a test, and let exam tone give you a detailed result. Maybe you're not an HR. Exam tone is designed for examiners, teachers, schools, parents, and CEO. I mean, it is designed for all examination needs. In all, exam tone provides a platform for secondary, including post-secondary, tertiary institutions, e-learning centers, e-learning platforms, organizations, examiners to create computer-based examination for free. And we are sure that organizations will need some special features like having a private test. Then we charge them a subscription fee. Is exam tone trying to change every field, or do we intend to change the whole world? Really, we don't intend to change the whole world. We only intend to change the field that will affect every other field, and that field is education, especially e-learning. The educational sector is worth about 3.9 trillion USD globally. Really, this is a large size visa cost, but we only intend to major on about 13.5% of the large visa cost. I think that is big, right? Specifically, we are looking at about 3.0 billion USD for social learning, 524 billion for corporate training, and 8.5 billion USD for test preparation markets. If this market is very big, how do we intend to take a large size of the whole visa cost? First, we believe that public test is not appropriate for organizations. Then we charge them for private tests. That's one, using the subscription service. Number two, we believe examination bodies will come to this and we charge royalty. Number three, we believe that when schools come around, we have a large mass market whereby we can sell advertisement. How do we bring all of this to reality? We need a veteran marketer, a salesman by excellence. We need somebody who has pioneered distribution or educational product like this before. And with that, we have Olani Samson. The salesman, very dogged and persistent. Then we need a critical developer, and that we have Aola Paola. Aola Paola is an excellent team player with 5 years experience in product development and programs in PHP and Java. Having a good product, a good marketer, and having a good developer is not enough. We need somebody that has experience in operation, and we have Wade Akitunde. He's a business analyst, an ethical hacker with about 5 years experience on startups. Of course, a team is indispensable in this case. And with that, we have myself, I'm Ogunji Tolulope Emmanuel. I'm a salesman, a software developer, and of course, a businessman. And finally, we need somebody, and that's what? And that is you. We need you to fund this project. We need you to fund Dropbox for examination, and that is example. We are looking at about 150,000 USD. I mean 150,000 USD in form of seed funding to penetrate the market in Africa, especially Tanzania, Nigeria, South Africa, and Ghana. With this funding, we're spending 60% on marketing, 30% on human resources, and 10% on logistics. The founders have raised 25,000 USD to kickstart the project and prepare for launching. Finally, it has been a great journey, but let me leave you with this final thoughts. Next time you want to add some fruity tones to your presentation, don't think about the tone you want to add to your presentation. Think about the tone that exam tone brings to every examination, for examiners, for schools, for organizations, and especially the Asian. And on this note, I will say thank you. And I can say another language than